What's up everybody, my name's Richard and I'm from Zappos.com. Today we are looking at EX Glacier. It's from Mystery Ranch. Starting up here, we're gonna have that top loading compartment. We have these two buckles that come undone and that top flap will pull back. So we're gonna have this drawstring closure here so you can load it up with all your gear and then lock it in tight. Going down the front, you'll see the exterior is made out of this really sturdy 500D Cordura fabric material with the daisy chain running down the front so you can clip on additional gear. And then down here, we're gonna have your sleeping bag compartment. There's this little buckle that comes undone. You see it has that kind of wing design to it. Gives you plenty of room in there for your sleeping bag, so you can stuff it on the inside. There's also an internal compression strap in there to help relieve the pressure on the zippers on the outside, give you plenty of room. A cool kind of hidden feature is here on the bottom in your sleeping bag compartment. You're gonna have this little divider here that comes unbuckled, which will give you access to the main compartment here from the bottom. Here in the front, we're gonna have these two torpedo pockets, which is great for any accessories that you want to carry at the ready without going inside your main compartment. And then here on the side, we're gonna have these two compression straps that come unclipped like that. And beneath that, we're gonna have this zipper that opens up nice and wide. And there you can actually access that main compartment here on the side, so you don't have to go through the top. Here on the back of the bag, we're gonna have amazing customization for this back panel here. You see it slides up and down, so you can always get just the right fit for your torso. Gonna have these really padded shoulder straps here with mesh on the inside, so while you're walking around outdoors, it'll keep your shoulders feeling comfortable and breathing. You also have this adjustable sternum strap here that slides up and down too to give you just the right fit. Down on the bottom, we're gonna have this waist belt here, really keep it locked into place with your drink holders on each side so you can always have your water bottle at the ready. Another awesome feature is that the top flap here is removable, so you can take it off if you want and take it on a day hike without carrying around all the rest of your gear. Gonna have zippers in both the front and the back. These nice big pockets there so you can carry around all your gear. And best of all, you're gonna have this buckle in the middle so you can carry it around your waist or over your shoulder. The kind of pack so awesome that it'll be able to keep up with you on all your outdoor adventures. So don't miss out on it. It's from Mystery Ranch.